Hey everyone, and happy Sunday. It is our Sunday check-in over here at QVC as we continue celebrating our 31 days of Temp-tations. So far, you guys are absolutely loving it. I know you had the opportunity to meet Bryn yesterday, one of our new members to the team who's going to be helping. You'll see a lot of her on air as well with Lisa and myself, which is super exciting. But we have a brand new item today. Hello, Dia. Hello, Kaylin. Nice to see you guys. Just wanted to give you all a sneak peek and see how much you're loving our Temp-tations days. We are already completely overwhelmed with all of your excitement and love. We've been bursting at the seams for months and months and months as we've been getting all of these pieces created and drawn and sampled and made and purchased and all that fun stuff. So yes, good morning to everyone. Good morning, Rosalia. Good morning, Paul. I saw that you wrote, I think yesterday, Ed rocks. He'd love that too. Good morning, Molly. Good morning, Desiree. Wendy, how's everybody feeling as we are in day 4 of our 31 days of Temp-tations? Marianne says she loves Temp-tations. Thank you, Marianne. And good morning to you. Happy Sunday, everybody. I know these corrugated boxes behind me are really exciting, but I'm going to show you what's coming up in the kitchen with David. Hello, Karen. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So without further ado, I'm going to turn this around and show you in Pumpkin Patch what we have coming up, because I have to tell you, it is super special. We have never done anything like this before. All multiple shapes and incredible pieces. Your 18-inch platter, your 16-inch serving tray. I know it's a little glary back here. Look how gorgeous. Your low profile, beautiful 14-inch server, 2.5 quart traditional vegetable bowl. Can you believe we've never really done anything like that? And 3 different size pedestal, what we call ramekins, which is amazing. Everything's going to nest down inside each other. And here's why I designed it. Every piece is different. Every shape is different. Whether it's the rope border that you see here and that fluting, whether it's the shallow depth over there, so that every dish you're cooking is as special as the piece you're putting it in. So I love that. Super fun. Okay, walk over here with me. Doobie-doobie-doo. Here it is, of course, in your blue floral lace. Doesn't that look absolutely incredible? And then look at some of the things we've done. First of all, that is my mother's sausage stuffing. And I don't even want to tell you how good it is. And such a tradition. I look forward to it all the time, every year. And then, of course, look what we did. So again, the reason why I gave you 3 different sizes, a 4, 6, and an 8 ounce, is because you never need all of the same something, right? So maybe you want more relish than you want the olives or the onions, whatever you're going to be using. Good morning, Susan. Love it all. Can't get enough. Good morning, Joy. Joy from our home office just jumped on. She's celebrating Temp-tations days with all of us as well. Can we just talk about how stinking cute our little cupcakes are here? 18-inch platter is going to hold over a 25-pound turkey. Terry loves the new set. Thank you, Terry. We have never done anything like this. And I love that this is truly the first brand new item on air that you're going to be seeing to kick off, of course, our Temp-tations days. And you ask, do you have it in harvest? We do. Pumpkin, of course. Fall Fetty? Absolutely. Fall and Pumpkin Patch? Yes. And then, of course, all of your traditional colors that so many of you have been collecting. Whew. I'm so excited I can't even speak. Lisa Lasorte just jumped on. Good morning, Lisa. We are over here continuing the celebration. You saw Bryn and Lisa again yesterday sharing with you the find. Hopefully you got to check all of that out. And then coming back over. Can we sneak peeks? Do you want to see Frankie again? Here's what I'm going to tell you about Frankie. Please don't wait on him. We don't have a ton of him, and he's so stinking cute. And then, of course, some of our other things, some of our other favorites. You all have been seeing this. Good morning, Betty. How are you? I have so many pieces of pumpkin, and I love it. Oh, I'm so glad. When are the wine glasses coming? We don't know. Here's the deal. We don't know exactly when things are going to go on air, but stay tuned. Keep checking on QVC.com. Please keep checking on our calendar. Go over to Temp-tations.com, and we update that calendar as soon as we know everything. And then we have the big deal kicking off tomorrow evening on QVC2. That's amazing. And what else? Then we're on all day on Tuesday, all day on Wednesday. You guys are going to be so sick of seeing all of us. Just kidding. But it is a celebration, day 4. Hopefully you will tune into In the Kitchen with David. Rumor is this is on C5 which is amazing. It's under $100, 7 huge pieces, which you're going to absolutely love, that nest down. Incredible in all of our seasonal as well as our everyday patterns. And we're going to be on around 12:15ish. So make sure you tune in, and I will see you all there. Bye.